Hey, what's up guys? Carlo here with another copywriting tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to boost your genuine engagement. Why do I say this? Because who isn't tired of those comments like, thanks, love it, yeah, right, that's cool. But we want to create engagement that it's real. In your social media, in your emails, in anything that you're exposing yourself or your business to, you want to generate genuine engagement. You don't want just people that could be a robot easily. They could be a robot that's telling you, yes, thank you, this, like. But what you truly want is people asking stuff. It's people engaging, feeling like this is related to them, feeling interested, making questions. Because at the end, if you have a lot of people that just tell you like, yes, thank you, give you 5 stars always, you're not gonna get true clients, you're not gonna get true engagement. Besides, all the algorithm that works with Instagram, with Facebook, with any platform, you want engagement not only for that reason, but because you actually want to help people out and to tweak your offer into their needs. And there's no better way to tweak your offer than having engagement from your client, from your audience, because in that way you're gonna know exactly what they need. So you need to make them feel like they are part of the community, like they actually matter and that you're actually listening to them. So besides replying to them, besides having a good customer service, I'm gonna tell you 3 things you can do with your copywriting to create more engagement. So let's go. The first one is doing rhetorical questions. Why? Because you want to spark people's mind in a way, right? So you're talking about a specific topic and you want to spike their emotions, you want to spike their curiosity. So rather than telling them just a question like, did you like this post, right? What you're gonna do is you're gonna tell them, do you ever plus the pain. This is the formula. You're gonna tell them, do you ever plus the pain? Do you ever feel unproductive? Do you ever feel lazy? So if let's say that in every post the best technique you could use is to solve people's problems, right? To see what is their problem and what is the solution and give them the solution. So if you tell them, do you ever plus pain, you're gonna generate a lot of engagement. If you tell them like productivity, it's really important, what's up with that, right? That's like a dead end. So you need to leave it open-minded and be thought-provoking and tell them, do you ever feel unproductive? Do you ever feel this way? Do you ever feel you don't have genuine engagement in your pages, in your social media, in your emails? So in that way, you arise some emotions and you make them think it's worth to engage, because you need to give people a reason to engage. Like, what am I gonna get if I truly engage here? So give them a clear reason and provoke their mind a little bit. So do you ever plus pain? That's a good one. The next one is to make it closer to them by using you and yours. Don't tell like everybody, but use the words you and yours. In this way, it's more familiar, it's more close, right? So a really cool example is, rather than telling like everyone can benefit from this app, you can tell them you are gonna benefit from this app. You're gonna get benefits from this. So tell them what are they gonna get. You. In this way, it's more personal and they feel like that you're talking to them, not like you're talking to everyone. Like everyone could have great results with my book. No, you can get great results. It's a scientific thing. A lot of studies have proven that people feel more related, so they feel like they want to engage more because you're telling them exactly what they are gonna get. Not everyone, but exactly them. And the third one is telling people how their actions are gonna impact others. So there's a really cool example that it told in a hospital that said, like, washing your hands or hands hygiene are gonna prevent you from getting a disease. And then they wrote, washing your hands prevents patients from getting more diseased, right? So you're telling them what are they actions making in other people. If you tell them people like, yeah, stopping smoking is gonna help your health, rather tell them if you stop smoking you're gonna benefit all those around you. How are your actions gonna make an impact? Your actions and impact on others makes you more self-conscious. So in this way you can get more engagement because people are feeling like, okay, my actions, not having genuine engagement, is gonna make an impact on my whole company. So you could write in your copy, like, not having genuine engagement is gonna decrease your sales, which is gonna impact your whole company, is gonna impact the people that is working with you. So how are your actions going to impact others? Another good one is telling them what is their positive impact. So when you're selling with emotions in marketing, copywriting, you need to involve something personal. So rather than telling them our app is gonna make you more productive, you can tell them our app is gonna enable you to spend more time with your family. So you involve some emotion and how their action today is gonna have a positive impact on something they care about. In this case, their family. So let's say we're selling a car. So rather than telling them this car is the best car ever, this car is gonna enable you to safely get your family where you want, to create some memories, some family memories that you're never gonna forget. So tell them the impact that their action today, buying your product, going to your company, is gonna have in others, because it makes you more self-aware. Because a lot of people tend to sacrifice themselves more. So if you tell someone stop eating junk food because it's gonna make you fat or it's gonna make you develop any disease, they'll probably be like, okay, I can sacrifice myself, I'm not hurting anyone. But if you tell them stop eating junk food because it's gonna make a bad impact on your family, because they're gonna have to take care of you, they're gonna take you to the hospital, they're gonna have to pay all the bills, you're gonna be more aware, because you're not just affecting yourself, but you're affecting others. And most of our actions do have an impact on others, but we don't realize. So if you do it, if you tell them in a different perspective, this is what's gonna happen, or this is what could happen to others if you don't do this, helps you agitate the problem and make it bigger. So it's gonna naturally generate more engagement, because it's like the virus. I could say, like, sure, I could suffer myself, I could get the virus, and just probably anything will happen to me because I'm healthy, I'm young, but I'm gonna probably get other people infected. That's like a key thing that has worked a lot. That's obviously true, but it works for me so much. It was like the thing that I needed in order to take the quarantine more seriously, the virus more seriously. So 3 quick things: ask rhetorical questions, use you and yours so it feels more personal, and tell them the impact that their action is gonna make upon other people. These are really quick and really easy techniques that you can apply to your copy today, to your social media, emails, webpage, anything that you're writing for your online business, and helps you create some genuine engagement right away. So apply these methods. Let me know how it worked for you in the comments down below. I always reply. If you want to take it to the next level, check out the Crucial Copy Skills ebook, where I share all of this value but more in depth, all the explanation behind that, and how can you get some crucial copy skills for your business right now. Also, if you want to see more of these free trainings in the future, subscribe down below or look for the Instagram digestible pieces posts in Carlos Sala with triple A. Thanks for watching. That's it for today, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.